Hi, I'm Martin King, Business Development Manager for Infrastructure at Gripple. I'm now going to talk you through our SwiftLine Rail Dropper and how easy it is to install. Firstly, you pinch the two top cams, which release the lock mechanism, and you quarter turn that onto the top catenary. As soon as you release the cams, that is then locked in place. If you pinch the cams, you can then slide and move it to get a more accurate position. With the bottom clamp, it's pre-installed as well. If you fit the clamp over the top anvil, you simply then use the lever to lock that into position, and it's preset at the correct torque. You then pull your excess wire through by pinching the bottom on the top clamp, feed the wire through, get that nice and taut, and then you can use your wire as a fail-safe by looping over the top of the catenary wire and feeding it through the bottom hole